Okay, let's start with the neck loosening exercises. Okay, just bend your neck forward and in the backward direction, forward and backward. Count it for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now just twist your neck to right and the left direction. Right. Twist your leg to right and the left direction. Right, left, right, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll just rotate our neck. Rotate your neck in the clockwise direction. Rotate it in the clockwise direction for 5 rounds. 1, 2. Do not close your eyes. Do not close your eyes. Just rotate it for 5 rounds. 3, 4, 5. Now do it in the anti-clockwise direction. Just do it in the anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we'll go for the hand exercises. See, bend your hand and place it on your shoulder. Your palm should place on the shoulder. Elbow stretches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fine. Now we'll go for hand in and out exercises. See, inhale and bring hands together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, bring them closer. Exhale. Just mute yourself. I mean, how is that? Yes. Okay. Hands in and out exercises. Bring your hands together. While exhaling, you should spread. Do it again. Inhale, bring your both the hands together. Exhale, you should widespread it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll go for other exercises. Just clasp your hands like this. Interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers. Okay. Now you should inhale and raise your hands to the chest level. Okay. Raise your hand to the chest level. Inhale and twist your palm. Twist your palm and raise your hands to the chest level. Exhale. Bring back to the chest. Inhale. Just raise, stretch your hands. Exhale. Bring it back. Am I audible? Yes. Do it to the chest level. Inhale. Stretch it. Exhale. Bring it back. Now we'll do it at the eye level. Now raise your hand towards the eye level. Inhale. Stretch your hands to the eye level. Exhale. Bring it back to the chest. Inhale. Raise it to the eye level. Exhale. Bring it back to the chest. For the third time, your eye level. Bring it back to the chest. For the fourth time. And for the fifth time. Okay. Now you're inhaling your both the hands above your head. Inhaling, raise both the hands above your head. Bring it back to the chest level. Bring it back to the chest level. Do it for the second round. 2. Bring it back to the chest. 3. To your chest. 4. Inhale, raise both the hands. Bring it to the chest. And 5. Inhale, raise both the hands. Exhale, bring it to your chest. Now relax for a while. Release. Just leave your hands. Relax for a while. Now we'll go for hip rotation. Okay. Place both the hands on your waist. Place both the hands on your waist. Now just rotate your hip. Just make a circles the clockwise direction. You should make it's moving. Your hips are only moving. Do not move your legs. Just your hip. Just move your hips in the clockwise direction. Now do it in the anti-clockwise direction, the opposite direction. Take it from the anti-clockwise. Count yourself. Just do it for 5 rounds and stop. Fine. Okay. Now stop it. Relax for a while. You can tie your hands at the back. Just relax for a while. Now we'll go for Trikonasana stretches. Spread your legs a meter apart as far as you're comfortable. Spread your legs. Now inhale. Raise both the hands. Raise both the hands besides your chest. Now exhale and bend to right side. Bend to right side. Exhale, bend to right side. Inhale, come up. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend to the left side. Exhale, bend to the left side. Now do it for 10 counts. Inhale, come up. 1. Do it slowly. Perform it slowly. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Now slowly come up. Lower your hands. Bring your legs closer. Just relax for a while. Relax for a while. Now slowly bring both the legs together, hands beside the body. Now just bring your right leg forward. Bring your right leg forward as if you're walking. Your left leg is there. Your right leg forward. Now inhale. Raise both the hands above your head. Inhale. Raise both the hands above your head. And exhale. Bend forward. Exhale. Bend forward. You should feel the stretch in your hamstring. Just bend forward. If you are feeling uncomfortable, just stop. Now inhale again. Raise both the hands above your head. Just lower it. Now we'll do from the opposite side. Bring your left leg forward. Your right leg is pointing backwards. Now inhale, raise both the hands above your head. Inhale, raise both the hands above your head. Exhale, bend from your lower back. You should bend from your lower back. You should feel the stretch in your calf muscle and your thigh region. The back of your thigh, that is hamstring muscles. Just feel the stretch. Now inhale again. Inhale. Raise both the hands. Bring it back. Bring both the legs together. This is very good stretching for your hamstring muscles as well as your calf muscles. Okay. Now we'll go for another stretch, that is hip stretches. Okay, just spread your both the legs apart. Spread your both the legs apart. Turn your body to the right side. Turn your body as well as your right leg to the right side. Turn your body to the right side. Okay. Now inhale, raise your both the hands. Bend it your right knee such that your right knee is perpendicular to the floor. Just go to this and look at your right middle finger. Look at your right middle finger. Just maintain. Just feel that tense. Feel the tense in your muscles. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now come to this pose. Come to this pose. Now do it in the opposite side. Bend your right leg. Bend your left leg. Your left leg is pointing towards the left side. Raise your both the hands. Look at your left middle finger. Just try to focus. Left middle finger. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now come to this pose. Relax. Now just come to sthiti. Now you can sit. You can sit. Tired? Relax for a while. If you can sit in Vajrasana, that's well and good. Try to sit in Vajrasana, or else you can just stretch your both the legs. Relax in this pose. Stretch your both the legs. Now we'll go for other 2 exercises and wind, okay? The first one is, I taught you the other day, that is Chakki Chalanasana. Okay, the Chakki Chalanasana, spread your both the legs apart. Spread your both the legs wide apart. Now, okay, spread your both the legs wide apart. Now, interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers. Just stretch it. Now you should bend forward and make a circle. You should move backward as well. Take your body backward as well. Do it for 5 rounds in the clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now do it in the anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very good for your reduction of your belly fat. Okay. Relax for a while. Now we'll go for other stretch, that is baby swing. I taught you the other day. You are swinging your baby, okay? Just hold your right leg such that it comes to your elbow, as if you hold the baby. See, imagine this is your baby. Now just start swinging. 1, 2, your baby is crying too much, just make it calm. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you should make the other baby calm. Hold your other baby. Just make it calm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now relax. Relax for a while. You can stretch your both the legs and relax for a while. Now slowly come to Sthiti. Now we'll go for the butterfly flaps. Okay, the butterfly. Bring your both the legs together such that your foot, that is it's facing each other. Now, as pull it closer to your perineum, as closer to your perineum. Now start flapping. Start flapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly try to bend forward. Try to bend forward. Try to touch your forehead. If it's not possible, just try to bend forward. You should feel the stretch in your thighs, inner thighs. You should feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Just try. Just maintain wherever you are. Just maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now exhale, come up. Exhale, come up. Stretch your both the legs. Relax for a while. Stretch your both the legs. You can relax for a while. Now slowly come to Sthiti. Slowly come to Sthiti. Spread your both the legs wide apart. Now we'll do some chapatis, okay? We'll mimic the chapati making. Okay? Your hands like this. Your hands are free, stretched apart. Now inhale and bend forward such that your abdomen, your abdomen should touch the floor, but just try to bend forward. Inhale, bend forward. Exhale, come back. Inhale, bend forward. Exhale, come back. Do it for 10 counts, minimum of 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now in the same pose, just be there, just be in that pose. We'll go for the last stretch. Okay, the last one. Alternate toe touching. Okay, your right hand should touch your left leg, and your left hand your right leg. Okay, alternate toe touches. 1, 2, 3. You should bend forward. Try to bend forward and touch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we do it for 5 more counts? Just for 5 counts, okay? Do it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Now you can relax. You can relax, stretch your legs. You can stretch your legs and relax for a while. Tired? Sweating? Just relax for a while. This is very good for your belly fat, because when we bend forward and do these kind of exercises, it helps to get rid of the belly fat as well as the fat accumulated in the side portion of our body. So it's very helpful. Okay, even it stretches the exercise, this one, the butterflies which we did, it's very good to open our inner thighs and menstrual cramps, all kinds of menstrual disorders. It's very helpful. Okay, still there is time. Okay, now we'll do one the Bhramari Pranayama and we'll wind the session. Okay, we'll do Bhramari. You know, your index finger, tuck your index finger into your ears. Tuck your index finger into your ears. Now take a deep inhalation. While exhaling, you should chant Makara loudly, okay? Take a deep inhalation. Exhale, chant Makara loudly for the first round. Louder. Chant it for the second round loudly. Chant it for the second round loudly. Now chant it for the third round loudly. Inhale deeply while exhaling. Chant Makara loudly for the third round. If you are done, you can drop down your hands. Slowly stop the practice. Now we'll wind the session with the chanting Omkara. Adopt Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest. Your thumb should touch your chest. There is a Anahata Chakra in our body. It is the location. So you should press that and chant Omkara loudly, okay? Inhale deeply. While exhaling, chant Omkara. Om. Chant it loudly. Chant it for the second round loudly. Now chant it for the last round loudly. Okay. Now slowly stop the practice. Now tie your hands at the back. Do not open your eyes. Tie your hands at the back. Bend forward. Perform Bu Namana. This is the salutation we give to the earth. Perform Bu Namana. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. Now inhale, come up. Inhale, come up. Now just rub your palms. Rub your palms. Make it warm. Rub your palms. Make it warm. Now just place your both the palms on your eyes. Just press it very gently. Press it very gently. Now slowly open your eyes looking at your palms. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.